Hello everyone, welcome to Mzansi's Funniest Videos. This is Davis Mohomo, guys. Please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Do enjoy this compilation.
Ngisheliwe namhlanje.
Ubani?
Ngisheliwe.
Ubani?
Just when I thought like it's all done and dusted for me, like just when I thought like nobody can ever see this person. Khona ngibonile wathi umuhle sisi. Ngisheliwe.
And your life will be rosy if you just stay away from those handsome boys who speak big English.
Bayashela.
Stay away from them. Your life will be sweet. Focus on those kings. Those kings who say, I'm sending you money in the night. Yes. On the 10th of next month, I'm sending the money.
How Pochas, wahlala wedwa abantu bajayiva kwenze njani? Oh hayi mina abangani bami bathi bayeza bala endleleni. Oh and ngiphuza i-ice drops mina. Wo iphi?
Olo ngafika uhlale nabo
Bathi
nibe grand. Kodwa mase kufika amantombazane, ulova kuma useyaqala ke manje ubona ukuthi manje wena unekhanda elikhulu. Dokathi ngihleli nawe mfethu. Bongalibona ikhanda lami elikhulu. Why khona ukuthi ngikhanda elikhulu sifika amantombazane?
Makuvela abantu.
Ngiyabuza boy.
Endelencane lo.
Why?
Baby, dijo tsa di monate.
Avantseva mos.
Ba impia o lebeletse sokisha.
Motho mdimo ja kapela e nyaka sekotlolo sa yona.
Ah, sis.
Aside.
Docs to accommodate.
Ile mosadi.
Uyalunga ade ngisho ukuthi ngizokubamba wasikubizela inyoka Ngiyaxolisa mfethu ungayibizi inyoka ungayibizi ngizoyibiza ungayibizi ngizokuba
General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi testified earlier on how he met Minister Mtunu. It was in Kabinde who today said we actually went with Mkhwanazi's car, the petrol that he paid for. So there's already discrepancies between those two statements. General Mkhwanazi will be back here at the committee to come and testify once all this is...
Adele kutsimpiwe ndibulele ngexesha lakho khasele undichazela into yobana le ngqungquthela ye-G20 kuthethwa ngayo ithetha ukuthini kuwe?
I-G20 I've heard abantu bathi G20 benga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani nge-G20 ngitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe ama-gangs ayi-20 but okay khona umuntu owangi-explainela wathi
Adele kutsimpiwe
lo baba kade expose imfihlo yami lo uthi angiyanga esikoleni. True, I never, when no teacher can claim ever saw this forehead of man in a class. But I took a resolution to educate myself and I succeeded to do so.
Ubaba.
Monna kuisa chabi. Shedeli. Nna ba pya mo se. Kuisa chabi monna. Monna ka tsama. Diria. Batho. Papa nna ne. Kuisa chabi. Mshimane. Bana. No Mshimane. Bana. Mshimane.
What up, Shiban?
You want a son? And no? You go get it. Just Orlando Pirates. Sure. We are mazu happy sindane.
Happy sindane.
Hayi no, mina ngiyazo happy jele. Oh, niyanimazi manje sika happy jele. Mina ngimazi asase happy sindane. Shothi saboshwa sonke. So, ejele bekadlala ibhola. Bekantswembu happy sindane. So usho ukuthi makantswembu kanje bathi happy jele ngoba bekasejele besiphila sonke. Umbuzo.
Kimashaya this one.
Nina nimazi manje sika happy jele. Mina ngimazi asase happy sindane.
Hayi.
So first Barrett
Ramtseba happy sindane.
Ithime edliwa kahle. Wona ngeke ulunga ejele wena.
Aw.
Ngeke ulunga ejele mfana wami. Ufave Pirates? Ngeke ulunga ejele lo mfana lo. Yazi ngithi kuyena. Hamba nePirates.
Hayi.
Peace in the chat.
Hey, today I get sharp. Moya wa ka o fatshe. Relationship ya ka ya 5 years ifedile.
Sekuphelile.
Ka baka la SMS o tswa mashonisa. SMS wona ere and today ke atla. Ke nyaka ka moka. Lena ka re ke nyaka go fetsa dikoloto tsa ka re e tla ke tlo fa yona ka moka.
Okay. Yeah, no, it sounds wrong. Awu baba. Awu baba, shame ingane yabantu.
Angifuna sihlebeni majengs. Amantombazane vele ngovala indlebe automatically abezwa babona khala. Guys, angeke usuke uthathe i-artificial grass uyindlala eroomini lakho hamara mngani. Awuyancane. I-10 of le ntombazaneni. Bathi umunye wathatha i-artificial grass wathi uyayindlala eroomini lakhe. Bathi intombazane yafika kanti lentombazane kuyakhuthwa inyoka. Right. Bathi hayi lentombazane lena mayifihla la phezulu kwale artificial grass. Ayibathela ukubheka bathi injida wayibuza ukuthi indaba bathi angeke vele inyoka la. So nawe mfethu akwazi ukwenza njalo. Ngaka nje mase nihleli phansi kuba ngathi ni ku picnic. Hlala kamnandi.
Yong. Hayi inkosi. Yazi nawo umhlolo. Lona ke umhlolo lo. Yong.
Yong.
Ngivuka nje ngendaba entsha sha. Engazazi yathi.
Izalazo.
Ngivuka nje sengizwa kuthiwa ma-80s athi afuna i-girlfriend allowance. Ikhona i-girlfriend elingana ne-80s. Kanti ayikhona. Nimachazele kodwa ukuthi yini le allowance.
Imali.
Noma hayi for sure ngiyachazela.
Kuyabhejwa.
Khona bazoyenzani le allowance? Bazoyenzani labantu le allowance? I-girlfriend allowance yona leyo.
Bathenga ugesi.
Akuthiwe bayanikwa ke naye bese bayenzani
namazipho
ngoba labantu uyazi ugovernment ubenzele yonke into yabalula iyona allowance efanele bayithola ku government
ini le
maphilisi bawathola galula ugovernment wathi abawalanda eclinic siya understand abaphathekile madola abhlungu inyawo ziyavuvuka ngapha iqola lisebenzi ingqondo ibuyilahleke kancane amadleba wezwa kahle amasabone emehlweni uthi ugovernment walandene eclinic mahala amaphilisi babanika ngisho loans lapha eclinic lethe sokurabha irabha ikona eclinic bababekele mahala. Government uyazazi izifo zalabantu uyazi ngisho iBP baba checka mahala. Bafike nje babanike kahle ikhombo amaphilisi abo lawo okukhohlwa okungezwa okungaboni amadolo anjani babanike eclinic le allowance bazoyenzana ngoba phela kube kuthiwa ke mhlawumbe balala ngama-night dress besiza kuzo manje ugovernment wabanika ngisho ikipa ze-ANC balala ngazo yani le allowance ngoba ngisho nge-weekend bagezile babahle lapha bagqoka la maphinifa ababuya ngawo emendweni bafuna kuyenzani le allowance bayazi yini ukuthi yini
baba
ngeke kahle bakithi kahle bese uzothi mhlambe bayothenga lama-wiki lawa ekuthiwa angconywana manje ama-wiki kwabona bazenzela ama-wiki uthola umuntu afake iwiki ungathi uthwele inkukhu bazenzela sesibajwayela sinankinga
ubaba kabandlo
hayi khona sekugcineni komhlaba manje Inkosi yazi ngiyayibuza ngithi mina ngabe bazawenzani lama-allowance abafunayo ngaphela into abayithengayo nje iyi-1 i-grandpa igrandpa ke uzifo zonke wabo
Mm.
nakhona imali yabo enzomos iyabathengela igrandpa ibuye ibathengelele nedragon imali yabo enzo ugovernment ulabantu baphethe kahle
baphuza
futhi
idragon.
lapha kwasasa bayasho bathi mangabe sowunabantwana bawu3 kuya phezulu thi uthola iblack card lapho sohola kakhulu mawunabantwana nje aba5 kuya phezulu usuhlala ngisho officeini sewuwo advise abantu abanabantwana ukuthi mabangaba nabantwana bangaka bazohola kanjani kubaluleke ngani ukuba nabantwana yonke lento abayiboni bafuna net allowance Thoba phatha ama black card lapha akangichazele nama 80s kahle ukuthi yini la allowance yong
Beja baba young. Guys, this was funny. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you in the next
There's no
upload.
such thing as the big five and things they're talking about. General Mkonazi, he was angered by the arrest of General Komane. The PKTT was disbanded because there is a drug cartel which Minister Mtuni wanted to protect. KT Molev, these people were still going to be arrested whether the PKTT was there or not. And they just orchestrate things to mislead the public. Even Nelson Mandela, the most respected president, he never called a press conference with people holding rifles behind him. General Mkonazi did mention Ket Matlala Brown Mokhotsi during his press statement. And it came out to everyone that on that day, Ket Matlala was found with a cell phone in prison. And indeed, and he called me, very furious. He said, Brown, can I tell you something? You know, there was a time I told you that I went to look for someone who can solve my problem. And he said, and I said, yes, I remember. Because when I followed him, I didn't tell him that I was following him. And it became that I did not know who he met. They were driving the car, and it was something that was packed. And he said, I went to see General Mkonazi's house. And I also gave him something. He was talking about money. I gave him, I also gave him, but he was speaking this language. And he gave me Nyoko, this guy, and now he's talking like this.
A few moments later.
Commissioners, I do not even have metric myself. And when you have a lawyer who prepares documents for you, you read, and as a layman, a lawyer may still not contextualize things in a understanding of this level.
Do you have any form of policing training? Formal policing training?
No.
Do you have any form of intelligence gathering training? Any formal training?
Clandestine training, yes. Formal, you mean with qualifications?
Yes.
No.
You don't have qualifications?
No. The training was different.
Do you have any form of qualification that involves forensic investigations?
No.
No. But now you want this commission to believe that in 2020, you were hired to investigate irregularities within crime intelligence.
Commissioner, that is a fact. An irregular, the task was given to me, and for the commission, more clarity. It was not the first time. I just could not put. It's not in the statement. It was not the first time I was tasked to do any mission or a job for the crime intelligence.
What qualifies you to conduct that investigation?
My basic training. I have basic training.
Which is what, Mr. Mokhotsi? What is your basic training?
On counterintelligence, crime intelligence, and counterintelligence.
Where did you learn that?
We were more than a team of 10. Commissioners, when you get that training, even the pre-1994 arrangement, as you said, the ANC was disbanded in 1993.
You will have a class. You will have a class. You will be sent to do certain things. You will have a class. You'll be sent from one place to another place. You will be tasked, look at this car, look at these people from KZN, or look at whatever that was required. And after that, you will be tasked.
So that is counterintelligence training to look at cars.
No, Commissioner. I don't, commissioners, I took this opportunity last time together with my lawyers, because now the questions we are posing, as far as I've said I'm an agent, I cannot deliberate more than that.
Do you know that Umkhonto Wesizwe was disbanded in 1993?
Yes, I'm aware.
Yes. So, as a 13-year-old, you would have been an Umkhonto Wesizwe operative in the SDU in 1993, as a 13-year-old.
No, I was not 13 years old. I know you, Commissioner, you are bringing it on the basis of my birthday era. I was not actually born in 1979. I was born in 1977.
So that's another lie in your affidavit.
No.
When you said you were born in August 1979. That's another lie.
No, Commissioner, it's not a lie. Commissioner, my ID number, my date of birth in the Home Affairs, even my mother knows. I was born in 1977. It is just an era of 1979 from the Home Affairs. And from the Home Affairs, Commissioner, we have tried in so many ways to rectify that. At the moment, you cannot say I was born in 1979, and then when someone wants your ID number, then you put 1977.
Mr. Mokgotsi, it's your affidavit which you signed, and you say in that affidavit, I was born in August 1979.
That's correct, Commissioner.
So that is incorrect. You were not born in August 1979.
No, I was born. It's not that it's incorrect.
You haven't put to us evidence of the truthfulness, one, of your conversation with Mr. Matala that you allege, and two, that what he told you is in fact true. We don't have facts. We are a fact-finding body as a commission.
All I'm saying is I came here to give a side of the story. Let's say, this is what I know. If Kat was lying to me, he lied to me. But this is what I know. He told me.
I'm not discussing misdirection. In fact, I come from a position of concern that you are making statements, even in this short exercise of cross-examination, none of which is backed up by any investigation on your part that you can produce the facts to us and say, here's proof. Do you accept that you're making statements that you are, for whatever reason, you're not backing them up with facts, even just this little bit about payments to Kwanazi and to Masim, to General Kele? It's not backed up by facts. You accept that?
I accept that, Commissioner.
Uyayiva ke ngoku.